It's 6:10 in the morning, and I'm ready for my first task of the day. I'm kind of ready to head to work. That's how early I get up and go. It's like your gym is my work. Anyways, my first task of the day.
Pat drying these vessels.
Gotta do it.
I set my system up for my morning vlog. I'm kinda just thought I'll share this with you guys. I really like coming to office early. I come in at 7:40, 7:45, and people don't walk in until 8:39. So I have an hour to myself, and I get to do this where I've got my iPad here and my bag there. I'm just doing my morning vlog. Great, it's great.
Do I love these oats or what? So I'm eating this overnight oats for my breakfast. Fucking love them. Let's have a look. Yeah, I know. Very Instagram friendly.
Man, it is super difficult to juggle between reading a book, doing your content, and work. But I love it. Like, I've got this screen which has got my audiobook on, The Principles of Marketing. I've already reached chapter 7. Super excited. I want to finish this book hopefully by next week. So let's see how that goes. It's difficult, but I think in 2 weeks I should be able to finish it. Just thought I'd say a quick hello and build my story of the day. Bye-bye. Casey, how should I make vlogs?
They don't want to see your Casey vlogs. They want to see your vlogs. They want to see what you can bring to the table.
Something about the energy of this gym. Gotta come here more often. Gotta come here more often. Hi guys. I wanted to elaborate a little more on a small snippet that I put yesterday in my vlog, where I said I do not want to consume Game of Thrones, and I was thinking a little more on that. And it's very funny that there was this podcast I was listening to right now, very similar conversation that these guys were having. The podcast was by Michael Stelzner. It's called Social Media Marketing, and they were talking about this mindset of creation versus consumption. And as I get into this creation mindset, and creation need not be content, what I'm doing, creation could just be your work or whatever you value doing, could be doodling for that matter. This instant gratification that we get from social media and from Netflix and from all those channels, outlets, distractions out there. I mean, choosing what to consume and keeping in mind whether am I moving forward or not. And at this point I feel very, very positive with my selection of things that I want to spend time in consuming. When you get into this creation process, there's very little time that you get in a day to consume something, so I want to be very, very practical about my consumption and really consume things that I really want to, and not with distractions. Let me know if you guys have any thoughts on consumption and creation, and what are your thoughts on this. Just let me know. Let's have a chat. Thank you guys.